Okay, come down onto your left side with a pillow under your head and your left arm stretched straight out in front of you. Right palm resting in the left hand. And then you're going to slide that right hand beyond the left, like there's something out there that you're looking for, like your cell phone. It's just out of reach. And you're going to keep reaching away from you. Take that arm up towards the ceiling. And then open your chest. You're turning your head with you and reach out behind you. And then with a straight arm, you're going to roll back onto that left side, starting with the hand in the left palm, and then sliding out beyond. And you're going to keep going. And as you're doing this, you're reaching up and away, but you're also trying to keep your lower body as it is and isolate the movement through the rib cage and the chest. If it feels good to stay in the twist, maybe hang out a breath or two, and then go back into that flow. And the next time you come back onto that left shoulder, pause. You're going to bring the right arm directly down by your side. And then not turning the chest open this time, you're going to bring that right hand behind the back onto the ground. You're going to try to get the whole palm down. And imagine you drop something really valuable back there, like a $100 bill, and you're going to go looking for it. Or your phone again, because how do you go without a phone? So slide the hand around. Imagine it's down towards the feet and then up towards the head, and it's back behind you. And you're moving the hand and that arm around as much as you can, trying to keep the palm down. There's going to be points where the fingers lift, the palms lift, not letting the chest turn open. So we're getting that precious mobility in the shoulder, which many of us have lost from hours rounded over the screen. Okay, keep going. Oh, where is that phone? And all right, bring the arm back down by your side, and then bring that hand to the ground, press yourself up, and switch sides. Maybe as you're switching sides, acknowledging any difference. Supporting the head and the neck. Now that left hand is resting in the right. You're going to slide out beyond the hand, and then keep reaching away from you as you open into the twist. Letting the chest turn, letting the neck turn. Ooh, that feels good. Maybe you stay. And then eventually back onto your side and take 2 or 3 more. And the next time you come onto that right side, pause. Bring the left arm down by your side. Without opening the chest, place the hand behind your back. Move that hand all around, as wide as you can go, as high, as low as possible. Trying to keep as much contact, the whole circumference of the palm, all fingers. Notice where you lose contact, where it feels a little stickier for you. Is it closer into the body and higher up? That's my spot. Maybe for you, it's going out wide. Checking in with the face. Is the jaw trying to help you, or the brow? A few more seconds. Moving all around. And then bring that arm back by your side. Then hand to the ground. Press yourself up. And heading on into the rest of the day, hopefully with a little more opening and freedom in the shoulders. As always, thank you.